Unit 7.4 Planning Organizing Pair or Group Work. These are a few points to consider when planning pair or group work. Unless you have access to a proven pair or group activity, you need to plan any pair or group work. You need to come up with an idea that has the parameters you need, the number of roles, workload per role, the time the activity will take, etc. Fully explain the procedure before splitting the class up. How would you like to know what needs to be done explained to you? Try not to complicate the instructions. It's best to give the students or trainees a copy of the instructions, whether written on a whiteboard, printed on paper, or electronically via email. Make sure every student in the group has a role and that students can possibly swap roles on longer or larger projects to maximize skill development. Be sure to account for individuals sharing roles if you are going to grade individually for that particular project or activity. Students should record what tasks they completed. Students can speak in their first language while in their groups for the purpose of learning, but should speak the language of instruction when addressing the class or educator. Depending on the type of activity or project you have planned, try to use a suitable location that has enough working space and safe storage if required. Make sure you have all the resources you need. Think of the end product and what you envisage that to be or look like. After that, work backwards, making sure you supply the students or trainees with all the information and resources they need. Please hit the subscribe button for more updates. Thanks for watching this video.